Hello everyone and welcome back to the Belgian Beer Brothers channel. This is still Cedric from Antwerp, and today we are going to talk about the last bottle in our gift crate from Lindemans, and that is the Summer Berry. Honestly, there's not that much to say about the Summer Berry. It started out in 2018. It was launched in May 2018 as a lambic session. And by lambic session, they actually meant a one-time brew, specialty brew, low in alcohol, and something seasonal. And for that, they used the 1-year-old lambic, and they added red fruits, summer fruits. They added strawberry juice, apple concentrate, and elderberry juice. And I have heard somewhere that there's some raspberry in there as well, but I haven't had that confirmed. Either way, 1-year-old lambic macerated for 24 hours with red fruits, and then originally they kegged it. There were no bottles available. The only places where you could drink it was in bars and cafes and pubs that had Lindemans on tap, or Lindemans sponsored events. Apparently the beer went pretty well, because soon thereafter they bottled it in 25 centiliter bottles, the one you see right here, and the one-time brew has expanded to a summer brew. I've seen it in 2019, I've seen it last month in Holland somewhere, so they still make it. Coincidence or not, 2018 was also the year that Lindemans Strawberry was launched. Just like this one, it was developed in 2017, launched in 2018, but I haven't had the privilege of tasting the Lindemans Strawberry yet, because it's actually launched specifically for the US market. So yeah, I'll have to get my hands on one of those to taste it. Anywho, I can't tell you much more about this, so let's just immediately jump into the tasting. Let's see what the bottle here tells us. Lambic, macerated with strawberry juice, sugar and sweetener. 15% strawberry juice, apple concentrate, elderberry juice. Yeah, like I thought, no raspberry in there. They also have some writing on here. The sour taste of lambic, fresh kick of red fruit. Meet the Summer Berry, Lindemans' latest lambic session beer. This surprisingly complex rosé beer combines the sour taste of a 1-year-old lambic with the full-bodied flavors of freshly picked red fruits, brewed to honor the berry. I do love the bottle. It's foiled, not printed, but hey, it's a cool bottle. It smells exactly like strawberry jam. Maybe a tiny hint of sour in there, but I think I'm gonna take the classic glass for this one. That's a nice color. As they said, a nice rosé. Even the color reminds me a bit of strawberry jam, actually. Very, very, very sweet. Even in the nose already. Oh wow. I can already tell you, for food pairings, I would not drink this with dessert. This is dessert. Maybe if dessert is a cheese platter, but I can actually be very short about this. It smells like strawberry jam, it looks like strawberry jam, and it tastes like strawberry jam. I'm a big fan of elderflower and elderberry. I don't really taste that in there, although it does have a slightly bitter, sour edge to it, like just on the rim. Yeah. Also, the apple concentrate is, to my taste, completely lost. But I can say, this is the second strawberry beer I've tasted in my life. And it's the first one that I don't want to pour down the drain. I do see this as an opportunity to use in cocktails, like maybe with some vodka, or on a hot summer day with a lot of ice. And by adding the ice, the sweetness reduces as well. Now, slight disclaimer, I am not a fan of strawberries. So the fact that I'm not a big fan of this beer is of course related to that fact. Is it a bad beer? Quality wise, no, probably not. I do miss the sour edge of the lambic in there. I do miss the refreshing characteristics of the apple in there. I miss a bit of bitterness. This is just sweet on sweet on sweet, and yeah, that's a lot. It has a full mouthfeel, but it's mainly because it's so sweet and so sticky. So it's not a full mouthfeel because it's a very rich, complex beer. It's a full mouthfeel because it's very sugary. Dare I say artificial tasting, although the bottle guarantees that it's natural sweetener. But hey, actually this tastes like strawberry candy. I think this is the first time that a Lindemans beer sort of let me down, but as I said, I don't like strawberries, so I should have seen it coming. But yeah, this is anticlimactic. Fortunately, I still have 4 other beers left. I still have the Kriek, the Cassis, the Pecheres, and the Apple, and I believe even a Faro. Yes, even a Faro. 5 more beers to enjoy again and to forget about this one. Anywho, as usual, if you have tasted this beer or you have some comments, comment down below. If you want to see the next videos or any other videos, subscribe, hit the bell icon, then you'll get notified when I upload another video. I will be adding the links to the Lindemans Brewery and to their strawberry launch video, because that's on YouTube as well. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers, you guys.